Yeah guys, if you're also a big fan of nut milk like me, but you're also tired of all these unwanted additives within these products, then I have some awesome news for you. And that's this 8-in-1 TER nut milk maker, soup maker, but of course it's an 8-in-1. You can make milkshakes and much more, and it's easy to use, easy to clean, and you can see the awesome quality here inside. Watch this thing, absolute awesome stainless steel, not only in the outside but also stainless steel blades. And to produce nice fresh nut milk, it's super easy. We need clean filtered water and up to 60 grams of nuts. And the rest comes with the machine. So first we add the water at least to the minimum fill level. And then we add the nuts, put the inner lid here on top, add the noise damping lid and close it properly with the outer or the top lid with a clockwise rotation. Connect it to power. And then we can select the program. Here in this case, we just press 2 times for the nut milk, and then it shows the time. Here in this case, 8 minutes. We can hear that it starts to grind the almonds. We can just leave it alone like that for 8 minutes. We don't have to do anything. And it's definitely not too loud. Here the almonds probably the loudest nuts. For oat milk you will almost hear nothing at all. Also for cleaning, yeah, we have also this built-in self-cleaning mode. That's absolutely amazing. And it's not only doing cold cleaning, it's heating up to almost boiling temperature to run a super hot cleaning cycle. And so the machine has confirmed with a beeping that it's finished. So we can drink it right away, or we can open the lid and add some extra ingredients like a little bit of vanilla, honey, or some spices. And close the lid and start automatically mixing up everything again. You can also select the level, and for everything you can long press to stop, so you don't have to wait till everything is finished if you don't like. And so we are ready, removing the lid, removing the inner lid. Now you can use the included strainer, pour it into a glass, or use the included nut milk bag for larger amounts. And so now after just a couple of minutes we have already this very tasty nut milk. Yes, super fresh, definitely huge difference compared to everything which I've bought from the stores before. You can definitely taste the freshness. Of course, will be even fresher after storing it in the fridge. By the way, you can keep this for up to 5 days in the fridge. So you don't have to prepare it every day, but you can also prepare it freshly every day, especially thanks to the built-in timers. You can prepare everything here inside. Use the timer for up to 12 hours, so you don't have to wait for it in the morning. You get it freshly brewed, and after everything is done, just rinse it, add fresh water, maybe a little bit of dish soap, use the cleaning function here, rinse it again, and everything is done. So easy and so much fresher than normal nut milk from the supermarkets. By the way, I got this machine for free from this seller to show you how good this really works, and it definitely didn't disappoint. And it comes really with everything. We get even this cleaning brush, comes also with this recipe booklet, absolutely amazing. So full recommendation from my side, so you can buy directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.